Hi everyone, welcome to the Edison Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use Libby to download ebooks and e-audiobooks. To access Libby, you can go to libbyapp.com on your computer or download the app onto your phone or tablet free from the App Store. You will need your library barcode and PIN to create an account and download books. If you're unsure of these numbers, please contact the library. So let's start at libbyapp.com. The first question you'll see is, do you have a library card? Click yes. Now click, I'll search for a library. You'll type Edison into the search bar and click enter. One of the top results should be eLibrary NJ Edison. You should see either our Grove Avenue branch or Plainfield Avenue location. Select either. Now, Libby will prompt you to sign into your eLibrary NJ account. Click Choose a Location. Here, you'll scroll down to L and look for Libraries of Middlesex, which is the consortium Edison belongs to. Here you'll enter your library card number, beginning with the 293, and click Next, and then enter your PIN. And click Sign In. Okay, now that you're in, let's click Next, and I can show you how to browse for titles. At the top of this page, you should see a magnifying glass and a search box. Here, you can type in a title, series, or author to begin searching. I'm going to search for the author, Louise Penny. After you click search or press enter, this new screen will display all the books available for download by this author. The titles will probably be a mix of e-audiobooks and e-books. If a title is an audiobook, you'll see a small pair of headphones underneath it. Like this and like this. Once you click on a title, you'll see a brief summary of the book, the release date and rating. It'll also show you how long the audiobook is. If the title is available, you can borrow it immediately. If no copies are available, like this one, you'll click on Place a Hold. It may take a few days or a couple of weeks for a title to become available. If you do have to place a hold, Libby will give you an estimate of when the title will be ready. If you look to the bottom right of your screen, you should see something that says Shelf. Click on Shelf. Your shelf will show you the books you currently have borrowed under a loan or anything you have on hold under Holds. When you click on Library on the left side of your screen, you'll be taken back to the home page. From here, you can conduct a new search. Or, Libby also allows you to explore in case you don't know exactly what you're looking for. From here, the titles will be filtered by what's new, what's popular, or what's available. You can also click on Subjects. Here, all the titles will be divided into subjects such as fiction, self-improvement, cooking and food, and more. Please visit our library YouTube channel, Edison Public Library, to find more instructional videos and book and movie recommendations from our librarians. Happy reading!